Hi all. We're going to do a video here on how to repair a drain. Yeah, I got some Gorilla Tape here. Duct tape. Peel it off and you stick it on here like this. That's all there is to it. I learned how to do this from a video.
And we would have used white if we had bought the white tape, but we ran out of it.
Hey Ernie, what's going on?
What did you do this time?
Oh, he keeps messing around over here. He's driving me crazy.
Well, I'm going to the gym later.
Oh.
Take it easy.
We did.
At least one last night.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like a little hole here. It's like I can't get to it back in here.
I'm going to just paint the rest of the eaves trough black.
Yeah.
It'll match. We used to have a well in the backyard. Yeah, that looks pretty flimsy, don't it?
I learned how to do this from a video.
Whose video?
What was the duct tape guy on TV?
Red Green from Canada. He was the master of the duct tape. I don't know whatever happened to his shows. They should put them on. Those are funny.
See how nice that works? Perfect. If it leaks a little bit, so what? It's raining. The water ground's wet anyways.
And we have a drain right here. Right under it. You know, I think it was already cracked from the ice falling down.
Yeah, this fills up with ice in the winter.
If it stayed together by spring, then it'll need a new one. I don't know. See her?
Check on her. I hear something rustling on there.
Oh, she's laying right there. She's right there.
What you doing, Sassy? I'm mad. Sassy's mad. Sassy's mad. I can tell by that look on her face. I'm never coming in again.
We have a cat on a leash and she don't like it. By the time you buy the duct tape, it's probably cheaper to buy the eaves trough parts.
Well,
Ain't got time to do the work.
yeah, this side really didn't matter because there's no fresh cement over here.
Yeah. Well, at least it'll go over and down the corner drain.
Yeah. Are there any cracks down here?
No.
That's I'm not gonna worry about that.
As long as the roof's fine.
Well, when we do the door, I'm gonna paint this and retard this. It's a little beat up from ice.
Yeah, you were
Probably,
supposed.
probably me from beating on it, trying to get the ice off. Okay, thanks, man.